Hi again, everyone. Konnichiwa. Welcome back to Learning Basic Japanese Language. I'm Mariko Sensei. In the first part, we learned the first hiragana characters. If this is your first time, please feel free to visit the first part of this series. The first hiragana characters that we learned were a, I, u, e, o. In this episode, we'll move to the next line of the hiragana chart. Let's begin. The first letter is ka. Now you combine ka with another character. For example, kai, which means shellfish. The next character is ki. The character ki is problematic because when it is printed or used on font, the third and fourth stroke are connected. When you handwrite it, make sure they are separated. To make it easier to remember the character, you can picture an image that resembles with the sound of the kana. Example, aki, which means autumn. The next one is ku. This one is easy, only one stroke. Now you can put together ka and ku, kaku, which means to write. The next character is ke. Pay attention to the hane at the first stroke. The bottom of the third stroke must be slightly curved inward. Example, ike, which means pond. And the last character of this part. The last one is ko. Example, kako, which means past. Congratulations! Now you know a little bit more Japanese and how to write and read it. I would suggest you use the internet and try to visit a website or a book that is written in Japanese and spot the characters that you already know. That's great exercise to get used to them. And again, if you like this episode, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss more episodes of how to learn the basics of Japanese language. Until then, ja ne!